broadcast for a special news bulletin. In his speech on Thursday, the president said he remains cautious but optimistic regarding the recent alien visitation. He urged all citizens to avoid taking any actions that may seem aggressive, such as discharging firearms or making lewd gestures.
Fuck yeah, I'm back, baby. Shake it, baby. Oh, yeah.
It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. I'll touch you if you touch me. Don't talk, drop to your knees, and I'll show you what the fuck I mean.
Oh yeah.
If you're over 18, then it's on. I don't give a shit if you live with your mom. I know you heard about me.
Kick ass.
Little lady, don't you say maybe, and I can leave right now. Let's get naked, shake your money maker, baby, I'ma show you how. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3.
Ew.
I'll touch you if you touch me.
Hell, I'd still hit it. Hail to the king, baby.
I'll touch you if you touch me.